So a few things came out of there. Won't be a quarterback chosen into the fall. Coach says no reason ranking the quarterbacks because nobody's ready. I get the feeling that Enos likes tape. Giving him the benefit of the doubt. Saying the man has been going through a lot, had to get up and move. Giving him the benefit of the doubt. I get the feeling that he likes tape. I don't know if he likes him on the field, but maybe as a person. Yeah, I'm in the old Walgreens. Donaldson doing fine that sitter. Says he's capable of playing anything, playing both. He seems comfortable. Coaches like him there. We out. Oh, sunlight. Nice day today. So listen, okay, so let's do it like this. We got rave reviews over what we did this weekend with the donation thing, giving access. Because, I mean, the bottom line is this. We shoot a lot of video, a lot of pictures, but we don't put them all out. I mean, that's just how media works. So we came up with the idea to take donations. You give us a donation, whatever we set the prices at, the limits at, and we give you access to more of the footage. Simple like that. So listen, today, this is how we're doing it. $20. Make a donation, $20. We give you access to more footage. There's some things in there you may want to see. Interviews, pictures, there's some things in there you may want to see. $20 will give you access to more footage from today. So you donate, Cash App, $ Footballville. Donate $20, put your email in the description of your Cash App. We'll give you access. Email in the description of the Cash App, $ Footballville. We'll give you access to more footage from the day. Footballville, man, we out here, we stay out here.
Like, the injuries and stuff just found out. So, like, this person hurt, we're going to step up and so we're sad that we're going to step up and we actually. Quarterback come up, if they have a problem with something,
Hey, backside hand right here. Hey, boom! I want to rip. Gotta bring it. Gotta bring it. Gotta bring it. Backside hand. Nothing with a backside hand yet. You should get. Hey, you should be good at this now.
I ain't see him.
Here. Come on down. Here. Good job. Here. I like it. Good. Good.